Good evening, I'm Chip Wellington, and this is absolutely unnecessary news. Tonight's top story: a local man has opened his refrigerator 9 times in the past hour, reportedly just to check. Sources confirm the contents have remained unchanged, consisting of leftover pasta, condiments, and a single questionable yogurt. Footage shows the man staring into the fridge as if new options might materialize. Experts say this behavior is both irrational and extremely relatable. We'll continue monitoring the fridge. Stay informed, stay safe, and join the global conversation. Together, we can address this crisis before it's too late. I'm Chip Wellington, and this has been absolutely unnecessary news. No one asked for this update.